Alright, let's get started on this drawing here. This is tutorial number 4, and let's go ahead and open up a new one. And this is the, right here, is the type of, this is what you want. This is the naked one, the one that doesn't have anything on it, okay, supposedly. And sorry, real quickly, I'm going to change this so you guys can see this a little bit better. Look and feel, icon size. What is going on? Okay, so I guess I can't really change the icon size, but alright, let's go ahead and get going. Switch to drafting mode. Let's go ahead and do the limits. Okay, remember it's 0, 0, and then 280 by 216. And what I want to do here is just show you exactly what the limits are. Okay. So, let me also, instead of doing that, we need to also set modify draw. Let's take this down to 8, 8, 4, 4. And I believe, oh no, I'm sorry. Grid spacing should be 8, 8, and 4. Oh, I'm sorry. What's wrong with me? Cool. Snap on. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let's also set the units. Sorry, I just wanted to check that real fast. Units. Just make sure that they're in millimeters, precision. Let's take it down to this. Doesn't really matter. It's totally fine. So limits, limit. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at, because it doesn't really tell us very much. What is with function? Function F9? There we go, okay. That snapping action is what we want. Okay. So we want 280, and then across 216. No, I'm sorry. Disregard. So we want 280 here, and then 216 up. And then I'll just go ahead and complete this. This just sort of just shows you a little bit what we're working with. Okay. So I'm gonna just leave that open for you guys, and we're gonna draw this little sawtooth here. So what I'm gonna first do is draw a circle. So pretty much, and if you can toggle between these toggle between whether or not you want to snap it or not by function or just F9. So that's snapping. So I just kind of want to find what's sort of like the middle, or what's sort of the about what the center of that circle is. So that outer radius is 200. Let's go ahead and move that. Just bring her down just a notch. And The reason why I'm deviating from the tutorial a little bit is because this follows way more in line with this follows more in line with how you're going to actually do three-dimensional modeling. Okay, so right there is just a center point right there. Bring that out, and that is a diameter of 40, so radius of 20. Okay, and that outer radius is 128. 63. Oh, so stupid. 64. All right, let's do some lines here. What I'm looking for right now is I want it to object snap in when I'm in the middle of something. Okay, like that. Midpoint. Very good. Very good. Alright, so let's go ahead and move all these bad boys here. Okay, so that's all centered up, looking nice and pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and add the 30-degree little notch. So what you can do is as I'm hovering over this different types of things. So you see this is also the center. So if you hover over the circle, you get a center. If you hover over the line, because it's the midpoint, you're going to get the midpoint. So they're all the same, no worries. And let's zoom out a little bit. Move over here. So let's just do 150. Okay. Again, we'll clean this up a little bit, but for now, insert intersection here. Double check. Very good, very good. Alright, and then this is going to be 32, so 16. Alright, so 16, so we need to do another circle. Circle with a 16 inch radius. Very good. So number of items we want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, wrong. Back to the intersection there. And just hit accept. Very good. because I'm wild man, I just want to make sure that we are alright. Looked a little off to me. So hopefully everybody saw that. It just, I did the similar tactic as we did in the other thing. So instead of getting fancy schmancy, I'm just going to bang this right out. So 60. Let's do 100. 150. 60. And same sort of deal. Polar array. Number of items, so we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's not working out too well. That's okay. We'll just do lines all the way around. 90, 120. Let's just, sorry, I keep forgetting this is the magnitude, and then 120. One, 20. Very good. That's also another way to do it. Is you see here how you're hitting this center point right here, it's attaching, you can just extend it out manually. Delete that because I don't believe that's actually the true. Yeah, I don't believe that's the true angle here. So I just wanted to fix that, make sure. I'm going to toggle the snap key off. Okay, toggled it back on. There we go. So what we want is, we know this is 50. And 30. Very good. I'm doing this because I know what the magnitude and angle is there. One. Okay, so hopefully everybody can see that. And what we're going to do is do another circle. Go ahead and center that baby up. Zoom out. And this circle is just reference. I'm just putting it sort of arbitrary. Just 105. Let's just do that. And this is where I'm going to clip off the excess. These excess center lines here. Okay. So what we also want to do here is just clip off these guys, this too. So trim. Enter. This. So we want to leave those center lines long and just in betweeners. Okay. Now we can go ahead and just get rid of this bad boy here. Okay. And so let's now go ahead and change the color of the lines to make it look like it's makes sense. Oh, I'm sorry. I gotta do some trimming action here as well. Nope. Very good. Very good. All right. Just go ahead and do that with everything. Alright, let's go ahead and do, so center line, this is where the magic happens, this is the entire purpose, so let's go ahead and do line type, no, I'm sorry. So that'll be the center line, add, alright, this is also a center line, type center, and color this bad boy. Phantom. Outer should be phantom. So manage load down to phantom. Add. And phantom wants to be blue. Oh, continuous, yeah, so okay. Must have not specified. Alright, I think this is just, this is called hidden. So line type, manage, add, hidden. Oop, okay, both of these are actually phantom lines, sorry. Cool. Alrighty. Alright, so I got sort of hung up on the scaling thing. It's really super simple. So just insert this exact title block here. You want to specify twice the amount. We'll go ahead and specify that on screen. Uniformly, unit. So this will be exactly twice the amount. Zero. Okay. So yeah, so let's go ahead and show you now what the enormous. So along the x-axis here, it's going to be 560. Will be what the new limits are, and then the up here will be 432. Just to give you an idea of what we're now working with here, and then 560, 180, bam, and then C. Cool. So all we did was just simply scale this. So here's what our old thing was, and then paper size, and then now this is what our new paper size is, and here's what this thing is going to be printing out to look like. So it'll be a little off, but that's okay. So now all we have to do is just select our entire drawing here. Go ahead, hit move, specify base point, and we did not select it all. So let's go ahead and see if we can't send that back. Oh, we didn't really need to send it back, just deselect that. And let's see what we're missing. Yeah, we forgot this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the whole darn thing, and then take off what I don't want. Okay. That should be good. Let's go ahead and move that. So take the center point, and yeah, it looks to be about good. So how's our drawing there? Let's see if we lost anything. No, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and delete that. Delete that line. And again, that perimeter line right here is just to show you what the the printer, you know what the size of the actual paper is going to look like, and that's it. Just go ahead and insert your name and all that kind of good stuff, and you are good to go.